everybody. Welcome back to the Babane City podcast. We're so excited to have you join us once again today. If you are joining us for the very first time, please make sure to like and subscribe and share this video. We are excited to see you again if you are joining us again. We hope that you've watched and catch up you've been able to catch up on some of the videos that we have. We are back again with yet another video with an exciting guest that we've been waiting for some time. My name is Buhliwe Nkosi Dlamini Mtimkulu, your host. I'm the Assistant Information and Public Relations Officer khona la kaMasipala. Angihambi ngedwa, ngihamba na Mr. Thabetse. Mr. Thabetse Vusela ey'balaleli.
Sibonge kakhulu Buhle angisho cha namhla vele
Special.
it's a special we are finally getting to do the interview that we've been pursuing for quite some time. We feel very lucky ukuthi namhla sibe nababane we-SMP ophinze abe indvuna ka-tourism.
Clarisha, welcome to the Babane City podcast. Maybe just to greet everybody, please introduce yourself.
Ngivusile Sive ngisho ukuthi lo sembi kwenu noJane wakamkhonda Simelane ngililunga lephalamende ke khona la eMbabane West. Ngisuka lapha kuManzana la ngisuka khona ngenhla kweMbabane Central High School. Ngiphinze futhi yilabadzala ababese bayangithuma bangithuma kuyawushanyela lapha ka itiko lete kuvakasha netemvelo.
We are excited to have Ge Umhlonishwa today. If you've never watched any of our videos, the Babane City podcast is a platform where we get to just unpack all things local government, what is happening in Babane, who is the city council, who does what, who's responsible for what, and then we also look into the things or the matters or issues that dihambisana nelive la Kangwane and how Babane citizens are affected by those things. First of all, jumping into it, Hlonisha, congratulations on being MP, a female MP in our space. We're excited. Tell us what's the interest or what made you decide to jump into politics?
In fact, first of all, I would like to thank this opportunity, to appreciate the opportunity that have been revealed to me by the Mbabane City Council. We have been longing to meet, but situations were not permitting.
Yeah.
So, in fact, coming to politics, I was requested by the Manzana community to stand in for elections. And they started in 2021 to request me to stand for elections. At first, I didn't... it didn't ring a bell to me that I can be one of the members of parliament. They came several times, 2021, 2022, 2023, until February 2023, when I just decided, I said, anyway, since there are other people who are politicians who have also talked to me about becoming a politician, let me give it a try.
Yeah.
So I just gave it a try. I decided in February 2023 to stand in for elections. Fortunately, because of the love of the people of Manzana and the entire Mbabane West community, they voted me in and I won elections.
Interesting. So, if you would briefly just tell us about your responsibility as an MP, kufaka in nani?
Irresponsibility MP is to make legislation, enact legislation, kushaya imithetho, uphinze futhi uprovide i-oversight kule executive arm of government, uyibonele ukuthi isebenta kahle, kwirole ya MP leyo. Kahle kahle akusiko lokho ukuthi sibaphe tingwa, sibaphe maphalishi, sibafundise letikolwa, badalele bantwana etikolweni, akusiko lokho. Lokho sesikwenda nje ngeluthando. Ngekuthi umuntu nawe uphila emangweni unesihe, uyabona ukuthi kwendekani, ungeke uthalalise ubuka ubese ke sewuyakwenda. Ngaphandle kwaloko umsebenzi wethu uhlobile, kuyawushaya umthetho eParliament. Kuyawubona ukuthi hulumende lofakwe emahhovisi tindvuna temtsetfo, tindvuna talomudze tisebenta tona emahhovisi la tisebenta khona, tenta tona netintfo letishayela eParliament ngoba bafuna bayi-implemente le mtsetfo leshaywa leParliament. Ngiloko nje lokhu ingcikitsi lenkulu ya MP.
Well, we know ukuthi your experience, I mean, is well close to 40 years in government and other institutions. But this special role, I believe it's special. You jumped into it and hit the ground running. So far, ungathi kukuhamba njani?
So far, I can say we are on track because we have one legislation that has been presented to Cabinet and is ready for Parliament, for presentation in Parliament. We have some regulations in place that we are working on as a ministry, which is my role. We have regulations that we are working on as a ministry. We have schedule of fees under Gaming Act of 2022 that we have taken to Parliament. The gaming fees, we've decided to come up with a schedule of fees because the act was passed in 2022, but there are no regulations. So we cannot hold business people at ransom because we don't have the regulations. So we better do something so that we can have business people engage in business. We approve their licenses and so on and so forth. So for them to continue to proceed with employing our local people and continuing with business to improve our economy, the best thing is to come up with a schedule of fees. They've been taken to cabinet and Parliament, and today we're with the portfolio looking at the schedule of fees. So obvious, we are on track. I feel we are on track. Yeah. We also have the chemicals and waste management bill as a draft. We will soon table it in cabinet and take it to Parliament, including ETA bill, the tourism bill. In Nayo, it's ready for Parliament. So
you've hit the ground running.
Yeah, we are on track.
Yeah.
And there are other issues that we are also working on the ground, like issues of implementing some of the legislations. The one that talks of the Plastic Controls Act.
Yeah.
So I've implemented part of that.
We'll get into that one. We will really we'll deal with that one very, very, very soon, Mr. Tabete. Now ngumhlonishwa. Kunini?
Njengoba ngishilo nasicala kuhle ukuthi thina singumasipala, we feel very honored to have umhlonishwa, and nalokuthi ke nyalo sona lelinye lijazi lelikhulu lekuba ka tourism la emakhosi amthume khona ukuthi asayobuka ngakhona. I-tourism phindze ibe inkulu lakithi seyimbabane, so lakithi vele sisatamsebenzisa, siyamdzinga, siyathemba ukuthi lokuningi lebe sikwenda phambilini kuthinyelwa elinye lithuba lethu vele sekuthinyelwa pha nayi resident yaseMbabane isuka lapha eMbabane West seyika tourism lenyanga awunalo ithuba ndifuna sijabula kakhulu yeah.
Siyabonga. So, Claudia, we have seen you being intentional about engaging my residents of your constituency. Recently, you gathered them nakhulumisa indzaba of putting together something like a strategic plan for the constituency. What are the objectives there? What are the priorities that you've highlighted during a constituency maybe sooner than others?
Umbukeli utawukhumbula ukuthi eminyakeni lophelile umlisa wabita Sibaya esibayeni indlovu yemhlaba yasithuma yathi asihambeni siye kubantu yaphinze yathi asinakeni bantu i-service delivery nayo akube yinto lefanele sisiyinake ibe secopheleni lesetulu ne-employment creation sitame ukuthi bantu babe nawo emathuba emisebenzi kunenje ngidawubeka lokho kube umbalwa so ngeke ukuthi ke bantu nabakuthuma funa kuvele kahle lokho ukuthi bakuthumani singabhacelani ngibuyele kubantu ngayohlala nabo phasi ngoba kuMbabane West ngawubeka nje ngithi imiphakathi sinamithathu kusho ukuthi nguMangwaneni kube nguNgwalini kube nguManzana so kutritheke kanjalo sihambile ke saya umphakathi ngemphakathi sithatha imivo yabo ukuthi njengosesikhona sicelana isithume asikubhaleni phasi lesithumana kona singadothi nakuphela lo 5 years sikhombane ngemuno so le people's parliament sibita the people's parliament sihlangene basinika imivo sayibhala phasi sesibhale phasi objective yalokuthatha lemivo ngilokho ukuthi basive kubhalwe phasi lele bakushoko sikubone sobabili bona nathi sivumelane ukuthi vele sanithuma lokho nathi sithi nasithuma lokho sikwendela for fundraising purposes kokuthi sibe nako lokuthi nadete into lesifuna kudenda. Number 1 is for planning purposes kokuthi nathi into lesifuna kudenda lefanele sisiplanele tikwato nyalo kokuthi lokhu sikwenda nini kanjani bese nase sifuna imali tekukwenda sesine plan noma ngangibani lofuna kusisekela iplan yethu ihlobile uyakhona kusisekela kiyo. Kwesithathu is for evaluation purposes kokuthi at the end of a certain period sikhona ekuhlala phasi sibuke iplan lethu sesihambe kangakanani sesikuphi naku la sesigileke khona sibuyele esiveni sisitshele ukuthi lapha siyagileka kuloko sicela nani nisibambise nabo nabakhona kusibambisa going forward basibambise nabangakhoni mhlambe basuggest ukuthi mhlambe nani ngaphuma nibhekele nitawusitakala ngiloko lokusenda leli plan. Kwesi4 ngisebentile etinkundleni sikhathi lesithe ngisebenta etinkundleni nangisebenta etinkundleni ngithite ngalesikhathi ngale ngaba regional secretary mabhala nesifundza saselibonjeni bebakhala abantu lengaphandle etinkundleni bakhala ngokuthi bahlonishwa bayabancoma bagcina ngamhlazana babancoma bangaphinzi bababona ngathi noma sengingi-under secretary lapho ke sakhokha lithimba lelibandla leliphuma kuleliya ngaphandle etinkundleni toyi-59 babuyisa ipoti lefanana nale Bantu bayakhala ngokuthi emanconyo agcina ahambe emhlazana awina alukhethwa abaphinzi bawabona nase abuya atocela alukhethwa futhi. So-ke lihhovisi letinkundla laseke selisukumisa umsebenzi umsebenzi lona senda i-social responsibility framework lethi wonke MP lotawukhetfwa akaye kubantu kube documented lokuthi batfumanana ini, kube documented naloku quarterback lapho savumelana lokuthi kutabuhle kuchamuka ema-officers from litiko letinkundla lite enkundleni lito assessa ukuthi kuhamba kona yini kwenteka tona yini. So-ke ngaleyo information benginayo ngibe sesengithatha lelithuba likokuthi angimendele tinkundla ngoba vele I was there. Ngiyayati lento ukuthi kunalesikhalo lesinjengalesi ngakufanda from my pocket, sahlangana siyinkundla sakufanda senda le consultation siyinkundla sonyalo sesifinalizer le document yethu.
So the same document iphindile kibo to say naku-ke sesikuhlanganisile, these are the priorities kumele nje.
I-document yethu siyinkundla yethu sonke yethu sisehhovisi yalongaphandle ehhovisi losemangweni kokuthi adi lokuthi siyinkundla tintfo lesikhala ngato ngoba tintfo ta Mangwaneni atifanani naManzana namahwalala ngilabo banema priorities abo. So-ke ngifuna siba-addresse njengekwehlukana kwabo ngilesitawukwenta kulo minyaka le ngi-4 leseyisele.
Ingabe nduna excuse me umntwana ngabuka nje ukuthi ingabe yini lokungathi kuyafeatureisha prominently kuleyo plan yambabane West noma ke kule wish list labangathi kumbe sive sinithume kona sisicela naku yini nje lokungathi ku stand out kakhulu for the community Mbabane West.
Loku stand out kakhulu indzaba yesikolo kuthi tena kuvulwa tikolo uthathe nje ngemehlo engcondo eMbabane West ema-primary schools sina 2 ube sesiwayibuka le population yeMbabane West ithi ngakanani ubuke lokuthi this is a clustered place. Primary school going kids baningi kakhulu mobuka le statistics salabantwana bavezana buhlungu. Ma-primary sina 2 sina Mangwaneni sina Ngwalini and most of lama parents angeke afford ukugibelisa abantwana emakhumbi nemabhasi baye esikolweni. So-ke vele lokudzingeke kakhulu isikolo ukhaterisha for lama-primary school going kids. Nakuvula tikolo abasala baba baningi bantwana la ema-primary kwakuvezana buhlungu. Noma uthi uzama kubuka space la singafaka khona mhlambe lithende ukuthi yes to add a class le space kude la khathe esikolweni yabona la ungabeka khona lelithende. So-ke vele lesikolo ngisikhanze mine sihamba embili kokuthi kungabi nginye futhi primary school uwafake lama-primary schools abe maningana because atokhaterishela lama-clusters akuleyo ndzawo nalama-clusters. Phindze futhi kube indzaba yema-secondary schools ukhanza abantwana sebabasusa la sebayawuhlala emakhaya
just to go to school
ngoba edolobheni kugcwele and aba-afford badala kubhadala letikolo leti la dolobheni lese tingcono tikolo angele tisetile ngaphandle emakhaya nakhona nakamthatha lo mntwana amsala emakhaya uyohlala nabani
Yeah.
uyakubona so tibe tiningi letinvo letingitona ti-glaring kakhudlwana leti structural
Okay.
ngoba kwehlukene kaningi kunema-structural problems noma issues kuphindze futhi kube nalama-legislative issues kuphindze kube nalama-social issues
Yeah.
nema-economic issues kuhlukene phindze futhi sibuye uma ubuka nje inkundla yethu yonke ite lihola lekuhlanganela yonke lenkundla kude la ungathi ubite abantu kutawuhlanganelwa la kude yonke lenkundla nawe ibuka ite timakethe kanzi la kugcwele labomake kugcwele nabobabe lebathi kanze vele sebakhulele la imisebenti sekude i-COVID yengetetela labanye baphelele sebala kufanele siqhutshekwe nempilo kokuthi kungaba nema-business centers business center nje site thine lengaphandle emakhaya banabo labo ema-youth centers akhiwe labo setco bakhona lenye tindzawo thine lapha kithi akunalutho mbabane west nje imphuye kakhudlwana kunabo bonke labantu akunalutho kude lokukhona ama-ground ekudlala i-recreation yebantfwana kokuthi bangaze bemithisane kude asinama-ground asinalutho singithi ngibuye etindzabeni letithi i-crime inkulu
Yeah.
so ufanele ukuthi si-attende leto tintfo leto kunengana lokunye futhi lokukey lebakubeke lapha lokuthi ufuna siku-addresse indzaba yama-rates ngila sitawufike sicabane khona lapho sitawuphathela natagila neticelemba namasipala ngoba lela libandla lethu lela litiphuyele bantfu abakethu alinalutho nje uma sewugucula le ndzawo uthi akabhadale ma-rates uthini nakanga-afford kubhadala ayakhula ema-rates akho uma udlala esitandi uthini unangumntfwana lotalwa kwekucala lo muntu akakhoni kumphaliphalishi lo mntfwana akakhoni ummikisa esikolweni lo mntfwana nyalo sowumemuka le shelter
Amile ma-rates.
emile ema-rates
Yeah.
yabona asiyilwi asisho angahle ukuthi ngidawuthini ngoba nami ngisuka kuhulumende but asesimbukeleni lo muntu kokuthi sithini kuye
Yeah.
simbukela njani kunabogogo lebafika kadzeni basesetindvombi nabo basashayela edulu nyalo seyindizela phansi la indizela phansi siyangena sesifuna ema-rates siyitayithathaphi lo muntu kwayona le ndlu ifile kunebantfwana labatintsandzane orphaned and vulnerable basele lapha sitayithatha kubani tintfo lebekadze sifisa lokuthi vele sitibukisane namasipala sikahle njengoba nambabane east nayo usedolobheni babane west usedolobheni namasipala usedolobheni into lesitayihlalela kamnanzi nje
Kamnanzi kakhulu.
kamnanzi sibukele kusasa lesive sethu sibukele impilo yabo nekujabula kwabo kumnanzi umuntu afe ajabulile kude nalengake ngeva athi ngife kamnanzi kodwa nje labanye uyubone lokuthi athi noma sengingafa sekulungile uyakubona lokusho ukuthi lo muntu lo utawufa ngenjabulo but lo utawufa ngebuhlungu awusitawudala ngiletiphoko
Kuyavakala ntona. Buhle mina bengithi ngawucala ngale yini na 4-year plan noma say 5-year plan the document leniyendile ngeconstituency yakho.
Yes.
Yeah, ngichaza ngento it actually mirrors iticelo letifikile la kamasipala. Itawukhumbula induna khona la sabamba khona umhlangano la ebaleni mahalala. Besifuna ama views esivele saya budget ukuthi sicela sive sisibambise ngabe yini kumbe labakufisile cishe kongana lokho kwavela phela lokhu laba bese baphinze induna abayithuma kona eParliament ukuthi sicela usendele nakho so ngafishane ngisho lokuthi vele kubukeka ngathi siyadzingana
kakhulu
siyadzingana masipala uyadzingana nabo MP khona edolobheni ukuthi sizokhona ukuthi si deliver on some of leti dzingo tesive sekutawala kona nje ndifuna ukuthi timbasha awungala kubo masipala ukhanza ukuthi timbasha inenye tincane ma subvention
Kaphetha
polile nje tsine kule financial year so utakhanza ukuthi nekugijima kwethu nako vele sekukalekile kakhulu kepha nje I'm happy lokuthi cha lokhu labakuthume kona kuyafana nanako nathi labasithuma kona nasilapha ebaleni it was ironic lokuthi vele bathi bacela lola sihlangene lapha ebaleni belina belikhiva nje
belkhiva
bathi ngiyabona nje nyalo sihlangene lana siyane mahala lamkhulu kangaka ukuthi ushelo hola bantwana nje badlala kuphi ukuthi usho ground lebhola so lama needs lawo vele ungumuntu uyawabona lena yema rates ndona
idzinga indvola
lena vele isadzinga ukuthi kudlalwe tinhlanzi zesibone ukuthi it is a serious challenge konke kulamalanga nje thina senda nama mini AGMs sihamba la kuma communities sibikela sive ukuthi iorganization iperform njani in the past year normally AGM thina sebita ngeannual meeting ngizobamahlanganyela ngiyabekisa iMountain View sibite loyo 80 or 70 people sibajele iorganization ukuthi perform njani nakhona siyakhetha kuba representative nje ukuthi kule sector lena sikhethe naba kanjalo so this time sendinto lenhle sithi asiphume selemimangweni singagcini Mountain View siphume sibabitele eholeni noma egroundini sibajele ukuthi cha organization masipala usebenze kanje ngakula kwendile but naturally awu bese dandla diyaphakama siyeva nisebenze kanje ukuthi usho nelihola lana uyabona so kuyasida nathi at least there is that conversation
unale connectivity
actually
ngoba umcoka lokuconnecta nale community at grassroots ubone uve na usuka lapha usuka uyi-change person altogether
true
so iyavela kulama communities esihamba kuyo lena ema rates vele yashisa impela kuma umhlangano
ngicela kubuyela kiyo le ma rates iyadzinga lokuthi sihlalele phasi singemaswati singabi nengcondo leyenye neba nengcondo leyenye sibe nje nengcondo eliswati lelitalele la kangwane lelikhulela la lelitawutalela abantu abalo la lifele la lishiye abantu abalo la kwekuthi sithini ngalama rates sisho ukuthi idolobha alonwe abantu bekahamba yini ngoba njengoba asakhule kangaka lama rates kuthi longacabanga thengisa stand sakhe edolobheni ayemakhaya kutawugcwala abantu bekhamba kuphela la dolobheni because ngabo leba afford ukuthenga indzawo edolobheni emaswati siyawakhokha completely edolobheni sidikhokha thine sidihlaba ngesethu sikali thine sithengisa lendzawo yasedolobheni sinika abantu siphatheleni idolobha ngoba thine site tadla tekuliphatha sesiyahamba thine vele sesiyawutifela emakhaya noma kwenteka nedolobheni asisanandzaba isho njalo lenkulumo. Mina nje sami niyasathi nasibita 60,000 nasiya lapha sinandlu asinamgugu 60,000 yabona ngibani ona 60,000 awumaki ngisho ngeminyaka 60,000 kuja masipala umfuna kuwe 60,000 awuyithengisileni ujake nje ukuthi manje singadliwa manje ngifole zuka uyadayisa uyahamba sala ngena laba labathengako ngoba bona bayatithenga manje
Welcome back to the Mabana City podcast. I am with my co-host, Mr. Lucky Tabete, Sinemhlonishwa, MP and Minister. In fact, Honorable Minister Nkani Ang MP, but a special guest of ours, Margaret Jane Konda Simelane. We were touching on a serious issue, Lapa, that is always an issue when it comes to Maspala. What's our Maspala to our rates? So we are just going to unpack that briefly. Hlonishwa was just talking about Guti. It looks like we're driving away Maswati into Swazi Nation land. Sishia, Mafubekamba, Utin Maspala ngalenzaba, Mr. Tabet.
Well, it's a difficult one because asiqale ngokuthi uma rates akwachaze ngokuthi i-tax ngiyawubhekisa ngani i-tax nje lesiyadika even lekhona lokuthi uladolobheni uthola tinsita edolobheni elidolobha is a controlled space kunelizinga lakhona lekuphila lelingafani kumbe naletinye tindzawo leti outside lona lidolobha. So by virtue of owning leyo property noma lelo khaya ekhathe edolobheni vele kuda nalentsela yekuthi kunalesakhiwo la dolobheni umthetho wahulumende lomkhulu lo ngoba sike sisinasihamba la kuma communities uvela ukuthi ngathi minister vele baba khona labathi hayi ngathi indvo yenu ngathi niyatendela ku create ke le impression encinye kulamanye amadolobha kwendeke ikhona nakhona i-issue yema rates. I think we njengoba indvuna beyibeka ukuthi yathi kufuna sesihlale phansi sichamuke ne-solution ukuthi ngabe singabambisana njani kule issue yema rates sikhulume nje sodwana endlini kagogo simaswati ukuthi nayi inkinga leseyikhona emangweni. I'm happy minister ukuthi I'm aware ukuthi ikhona i-review lekhona ye-rating act mane angathi nyalo ikuliphi ikusiphi stage but ngiyathi lokuthi ikhona ngoba lama rates edangayo le rating act ending umthetho lomtsala lona so siyathemba usile review letaba khona nyalo itabe seyibuka tindfo the way letingiyo nyalo ku community lama challenges lasakhona kepha ke I must hasten to add ukuthi kunana indzaba ye indigent policy masipala la wahlala phasi wabuka wathi uyati kunale scenario that repeats itself kulama communities ethu embabana uyati bantu labadzala bashonile bashiya emakhaya ebantfaneni bantfwana basakhona ukubhadala ema rates noma ke ngiyabekisa Thabetse beka khona kubhadala ema rates asasebenta nyalo so sekugcineni nempilo yakhe le productive so retired ema rates solamile amile kanjalo nje akanenza uyasebenza akawusebenzi solamile
esikhundleni
ayakhuphuka and ihlala ikhona vele le risk ukuthi you will likely lose your home nawuhluleka kubhadala. So masipala wachamuka nale indigent policy i-indigent policy beyifaka abantu ngekusela kwabo kuma categories ukuthi weswele engakanani kwaba nema-suggestions ukuthi lona encenye kumbe so-retire yena singachamuka kaso angasibambisa so kulama rates kungasabi njenganyalo ngiyabhekisa khanzi sencebona zatawubitanga phasanyana nangabe kumbe child headed homestead nakhona kanjalo le solution vele beyibuka ukuthi lamaswati akangesweli akangaluzi lamakhaya ngoba abakhona ibhadala lama rates so why drive tamasipala why yisa Ministry of Housing ngithi nangifika lana ngingathi ikuphi ngithi isemkhathini we-Ministry of Housing nele office la ka-DPM. I think that's the latest the most recent update we got ukuthi between the two ministries. I'm sure indvuna itawakhumbula ama processes ukuthi kuze thina singumasipala singumkhono kahulumende thina kuze sikhone kuyisebenzisa kufuna kucala ihulumende lokhu ayimukele kuze cha seningasebenza seyineminyaka ndifuna vele masipala ayenda so uyabona lokuthi ngiyasola lokuthi nayingalunga yona probably most of the challenges leswabona kwenyalo angaba addressed through leyo policy yebo kona abantu labadzala bangas advise ukuthi cha naningalungisa lani lungiselana emaswati angaphila but we are hopeful nduna ukuthi encenye kule term bo MP bethu ngoba nje besina MP welcome Dlamini naye sayiveta sayiveta siyathemba ukuthi encenye ndasibambisa ukuthi kumbe ihambeleke ukuthi imephi ibanjwe yini indigent police
Atophile maswati
edolobheni kungasali bantu behamba
kungasali bantu behamba hayi univisa nabuhlungu na uyibuka lento uthathe nje emehlo uhlale phansi uthi hey idolobha lakithi selitawugqwala abantu behamba emaswati sektabete ngisho umunye lo hlaba nebhizinisi edolobheni ngeke phela vele afford emaswati.
We are excited, Mr. Thabethe, ukuthi as MP, as council, we are serving the same people.
Yeah.
Now, what is exciting is that bo MP lesnabo nyalo are willing to work with council. I think that part is very critical because we would find ourselves working in silos. Naloyo wenda kwakhe kanti phela we're serving the same people. So at this point, it's just to commend the initiatives. We're serving the same people. So whatever we're doing, asihlangane kanye kanye and see how we serve these people. Kuze kuthi lidolobha lembabane lichubekele embili. Florisha, we're excited ukuthi after you were elected ukuthi ube MP wabese so niketele singe sikhundla to be Minister of Tourism. We have seen a great difference in the country's efforts ngokuthi I Kingdom of Eswatini ibonakale all over the world. Nyalo nje nasibuka Mhlonisha tsithini tinombolo siphakeme kangakanani in terms of the intentional things that the ministry has been doing in improving tourism Gangwan Simepi, what's the picture? Please paint the picture for us and where we're going.
Ngitawuveta lokuthi sinensayeya si Ministry of Tourism. Insayeya yethu ithi sifuna singenise tivakashi letingu 2 million. Sakhe imali lenganga 2 billion.
Okay.
In the next 5 years. Shozi nje ngathi 2028. Funa sibe siku-achievile lokho. So kulensayeya yethu uma ngibuka indlela ngibuka nje ama partners ami eceleni lengisebenza nawo ngaba bemahotela ngaba ngilabala bakhangata ivakashi bonke nje laba lengisebenza nabo kule space saka tourism cha ngiyabona lokho ukuthi lo mfutho ukhona na ubuka lokho ukuthi kulesa sikhathi se-COVID yasishaya yasibeka phansi kodwa sesikhuphukile sesingetulu kwaletiNombolo ta before COVID. Uyabona lokho ukuthi umfutho cishe uyafakeka. Nekokuthi ke siphinze sibe nebudlelwane kunenhlangano lesinayo sibita ukuthi Triland. Le nhlangano lena ifaka ekhathi live lase Mozambique nelive lase Ningizimu Afrika. La sihlangana khona sisherishelane ema itinerary ngawusho njalo.
Okay.
Lokho kuthi ngesikhathi lesithide sinanakho nabo basisherishele. Siya inviteana, siyabitana, senda konke lokho sihambelana.
Okay.
Nabo nabanelutho nabo bakhona ukuthi luthi spill to Eswatini. Nekokuthi ke kuloku vakashelana nale mihlangano letigungu temihlangano lesitihambako. Nato ngiletinye letisenda sibe nekuhlangana sitindvuna letingitone tibuke i-tourism khona la endazi eSouthern Africa. Kubukusana lokho ukuthi Lesotho nje us-approachile ukuthi yini lesingayenda kanye kanye.
Okay.
Nabo Kenya, abona Kenya ukashana yangakanani.
But they've been in touch.
Nabo Tanzania bale kashana. But bakhona kudala kithi Bombasati.
Okay.
Bade kithi ukuthi tourism yini lesingayihlanganisa kanye kanye. Uma ngithola tivakashi leti tokhona kufika nakuwe. Nawe na uthola tivakashi tikhona kufika le. Boma Mozambique. Ngawuthi phinze futhi nalama tour guides.
Okay. Ma
tour guides athi tena kasuka ku tourism indaba eThekwini edala kangwane.
Okay.
Lakithi. Atoba nemhlangano lakithi. Kuto brainstorm lokho ukuthi as much as siyile eDurban indaba. Yini lesingalisita ngalo livela kangwane.
Okay.
Singanibambisa ngakuphi.
Nice.
Sesinema tour guides as far as Germany.
Okay.
O France, yabona. La isala khona kancane. Ngilike thenini nase akhona nase tikhona leti vakashi tethu. Diphinze tiqhubeke nalama tour guides abo. Kokuthi ifuna siphinze sithola indlela ukuthi bese sekuthatha lawa ethu.
Okay.
Atokhona kukhuluma nangaletinye tindvo.
Yeah.
Lesetitisha ngibekise nje ukuthi sihleli nje sesinema sites lamasha leswadeclareile ngifikile ukuthi lawa sengema tourist attractions.
Okay.
Lawa sengema imisamo yethu mhlambe tindzawo tethu leti tikhumbuto kithi. So kunengana nje lele sesinako lele sikutholako nalokunye futhi sisetakhambela sikubuke bese sisiyabuya siyakudeclare sendele lokho ukuthi nathi ifika tivakashi tikungagcini ngalokudzala lebakwadiko.
Okay.
Kujabaye etintweni letinye letinsha bayotibona.
Okay. Okay. This is where lama tour guides ala kaya then come in.
Nawo lama tour guides ala kaya sidawudzinga ukuthi phinze futhi nawo siwathole. Siwahambise la kuletindzawo tethu letinsha.
Yes.
Ngoba ngawo lawa latasihambisela lo mlayito masinyane.
Yeah.
Noma silihambisa lelivi ngelive funa sibe baningi.
Yes, true. This is exciting. For us, it just says ukuthi siyathuthuka and we are being known worldwide. We're excited about that. Lidolobha leMbabane, a couple of years ago, I started a project called Waste Minimization and Segregation Project, where lapho khona besithi waste should be segregated from source, meaning from household level. Makube nebamfu who are practicing separating waste for recycling purposes and so forth. Kunyalo, we have taken great strides in introducing it at different CI pilot in different townships, but most of the establishments lala dolobheni are already practicing segregation of waste. Talking about green initiatives, we are excited to hear about the hashtag Zero Plastic in the country. Congratulations, Mhlonisha. Maya siyabonga. For us, it says asichubeke because we had already started kusho imali leli vanga lokuthi sithi segregate nje so that we're able to remove the things that are ladingasi recyclable. Naleti mvo leti lesitifisile ukuthi sitisebenzise futhi. Timane tisebente futhi to reduce waste going to the landfill, to reduce littering edolobheni. We have seen the city being more cleaner. We have seen people making money out of recycling. We have seen people being more conscious of their surroundings generally. People are starting smart backyard gardens. People are really taking great strides in making sure the city is becoming green. Please tell us now about the zero plastic ban in the country.
Okay. La kwendile uhulumende uma sithathela kulo mthetho waka environment lo washayo sibe seke sesiyawu implement lo mthetho zabe ama plastic inzala yokucontrola ama plastic event inzabe kwa controller ibe nalama regulations Josube ngumthetho 2002 kwaqala kadzeni kupilot 2015 waphasa 2002 kwase kwendiwa ema regulations akhona attablishwa eParliament kwabe lobeka umuntu automatically ayaphasa.
Okay.
Nakwendeka lokho aqala aba athi into effect lomnyaka lophelile ngeke ukuthi kuthathwe ilevy kuma plastic ucabangeka lokho ukuthi uma kutawubhadaliswe ama plastic atawunciphe ama plastic.
Yes.
Esikhundleni sekuthi anciphe akakanciphi ema plastic.
So people got used to buying.
Sive sichubekile sakwetayela kutsenga plastic noma seliduliswa la chubeka sive sathenga. So ke sesibathe siyabuka ngaloko ukuthi lama plastic angcolisa umhlabathi wethu lesilima kiwo awusabi fertile because of lama small particles langena la emhlabathini. Ma plastic angcolise emanti itifo kuse bedroom. Ema plastic achubekile alimatatilwane tetfu tinkomo tile li plastic. Emaswati ayafuya. Emaswati aticabha ngokuthi libhange lawo inkomo.
Yeah.
Imagine nje libhange lakho 15,000 wonke noma 20. Inkabi yonke ebona inkabi ya 20,000 seyidle nje iplastic lelithengiswe ngamalini nga 3 rand 3 emalangeni plastic la 3 emalangeni yawulahla phansi inkabi ya 20,000 ilahle phansi kungabi nje nzabatalutho.
Yeah.
Yabona. So ngekubukela ke impilo yemaswati nekubukela i-environment lo mango lesiphila kiwo kuhle kulisusa le plastic.
Okay.
Selikhweshe. Yabona. I-plastic ke sitawuchubeka asikagcini ngalama plastic lawa ekuphatha. Sitawuchubeka ekuhambeni kwesikhathi. Kunananga emabhodlela lathwala emanti. Kunananga ema takeaways. Lesiphakela ngawo emingcwabeni. Kunengana nje lokho ama plastic lesitawugcina sesikhweshisile.
Okay.
Sida kancane kancane. Sisebenta ke nelitiko letempilo. Sisesina sibeka indzaba yemaplastiki kilo litiko letempilo. Litiko letempilo laphakamisa sandla. Lathi angisasale evesini. Because emaplastiki sekubonakele ukuthi emaplastiki ngawo lawa lasibangela tifo. Ikakhulu tifo te-cancer. Eveni lakithi. Uma ungathatha nje ubuke emuva ukuthi i-cancer icale nini nje ukuduma kangaka. Beyidume kubantu labadzala. Kodwa nyalo nakumntwana lomncane eswayithola. Uyithatha kuphi? Nawuhlala phansi ubuka ukuthi umntwana lomncane udlani. Kufakwa kuphi? Kufuthunyetwa kanjani? Ugcina ufike la ekuthenini nembala healthy uqinisile na. Uyabona? Ngoba leli bhodlela lela nje lemanti lela. Mbani usuka lekhaya umthelele emanti la bhodleleni. Umfakele isikhaftini sakhe la kule khaftini seliplastic. Ungavele sithenga wona lama plastic. Ikhaftini tema plastic. Uyahamba uyadlala ubeka isikhaftini sakhe elangeni. Uyazuba uyadidlalela. Nakasuka lapho uvula isikhaftini sakhe esihlela lapha elangeni. Siyashisa uyadla. Uvula libhodlela lakhe lemanti uyanatha. Lama chemicals lokwakhiwe ngawo lama plastic. Ngawo lama chemicals lawa lasibangela letinkinga tetifo.
Inkulu lenza wema-plastic.
Yeah.
Lama takeaways lawa lesiphakela ngawo lemingcwabeni. Ayabanga le cancer.
Okay.
Ngikusho kwebetempilo. Nabo betempilo. Ngalenye ilanga bawulithola lithuba batikhulumele. Betempilo sinebasi nabasichazela sethuka kakhulu. Sathi hawuthi nebesibukela impilo yemuntu ne-environment netilwane. Bona ke sebabuke mbambake manje impilo yemuntu. Bayayibeka lokho ukuthi kulaphisa loyo muntu loyo. Losaphethwe ngile cancer. Ku-estimate of 500,000. Bo 500,000. Uma ubuka ke akusingcono lokho ukuthi sitivikele sekunekwelapha.
Yeah.
EmaSwati ngwakholelwa mina ekuthenini ayalithanza leli lithi kungcono kuvikela sekunekwelapha.
Kusho ukuthini ke lokhu ke Mhlonishwa when announcing this, what does it say to the international community when it comes to tourism and the country being a green country?
Lokhu kumemetela lokhu kuyinto lekhombako lokho ukuthi livela kangwane aligcini nje kuphela ngikusayina livumelano ntakamhlaba.
Yeah.
Kodwa livela kangwane litimbandzakanya ngalokuphelele liyatisebenta letinto. Liyanaka nalo futhi liyacontributor ekulweni nekungcola kwelitfatfasi.
Yeah.
Ngoba some of these things tigcina tili affectile lokungcola kwelitfatfasi. So nathi siyasesifakile isandla lesikhulu.
Yeah.
Ekutheni siyatimbandzakanya. Futhi ke nawubuka lokho ukuthi sisithena sicedza kwenda thini kwalandzela UAE basele United Arab Emirates.
Yeah.
Balandzela livele lincane.
Yeah.
Ubona lokho ukuthi nasibalwa nemavela amakhulu nabongilandi.
Yeah.
Nabobani. So uyabona ukuthi no ngoba phela lokuye kwente bahlanyela itimali balithanze live. Baye babuke lokho ukuthi inaku the legal environment imenjani.
Okay.
Mababona nje lokho ukuthi kunema conventions niyawasayina niyawa implement imithetho niyayishaya niyayi-implement bayabona no live vele lesingaya siyohlanyela timali tethu kilo livele likahle.
Yeah.
But kwabetele compliance international awu sesitilimadile.
Yeah.
Lapha nje sitibeke emephini
True.
ku
Definitely.
international map.
Yeah.
Iyavakala nduna mina buhle bengithi ngidawubuta ukuthi ingabe injani ke i-business community kule decision ya zero plastic ingabe bathini nduna bona ikhona ini pushback noma vele sekude sekufuna sale ba comply. I remember sometime back ukuvele kwaduma naleti khwama a few years back kwaduma uzivele nayo yothenga uhambe nalesikhwama lesi yes phatha sakho. I think kungaba ngileyo nalokuthi thina singumasipala vele sijabula kakhulu ngale decision lena ngoba ndvuna lokwethu lokwabo waste segregation la khuluma ngako kuhle silwela ukuthi tibe tincane letibi letigcina elandfill kaMdoti ngisho njalo so sukela siyicalile le waste segregation ikhona vele significant improvement ukuthi letibi lama truck lawa la ledulu so khanza ukuthi letibi setiya ngekwehla imbabane ke ndvuna ide indzawo imawa kanjalo so i-landfill yethu ledulu le mahwalala seyivela igcwele I think ngigcine abakhuluma ngabo 2 years old.
Awuve nje nayo ukuthi nichitha kuphi niyachitha enkundleni yami niyangeya nichitha enkundleni hey ivele pizza manje
yes so nase igcwele ndvuna sesidinga masipala sokudzinga lamanye ke mamillion ukuthi inyalo kuyowakhiwa lenye i-landfill nayo lesingadi ukuthi la dolobheni sitayakha kuphi so le campaign vele yayo or le ban yalo nje plastic itamsita kakhulu masipala kusho ukuthi DBT futhi satawehla ikakhulu nduna bengifuna kuva le business community ukuthi bona bayithatha njani lo zero plastic ikhona pushback nekuthi ema alternatives nangabe nangiyothenga inyama ebuchari bangifakele eplastikini kusho ukuthi inyalo sebatangifakela kuphi sukela ngalo December or January akhona lama alternatives singakhanzi lama emabuchari lenceda uphuma vele uyiphethe ngesandla bathe
bona mfo
yeah
ngicela kubeka lokho ukuthi sisakhula thini tindoda tivele tigocwa ngemaphepha iphepha uyawuthenga singo esitolo sineke saswathenga nalamahafu uthenga ihafu yesingo sasivele nje sijutshwe ekhathi kubuye iphepha ligocotwe ngeliphepha uphuma uhambe ekhaya uthenga inyama kwakubuya iphepha kuqotwe iphepha uphuma uhambe ekhaya emaphepha bekavele asebenza emaphepha lokho emaplastiki kube ngema utangivumela mama kwami ukuthi emaphepha naye uyawadi sisakhula emaplastiki kube new development lemaplastiki nyalo sithi ke kulama manufacturers indzaba yekukhuluma nabo yaqala kadzeni njengoba ngithi lenzaba lena dates back to 2015 yasetshenzwa lenzaba emaplastiki yahamba umgamo sifika la kuphatha sakho nje kuke kwaba nemhlangano lomkhulu obokhulumisa dona lete emaplastiki kwaseke sekuba ngilo uphatha sakho le campaign yaphatha sakho wonke umuntu bekasatayele kuphatha isikhwama sakhe nakaya esitolo athi nje semene ngiphatha isikhwama sami phatha sakho lokhu ke sesi-introduce le levy kula sifike sayilahla khona nakhona besithi phela sishaya kancane sayilahla khona labuya iplastiki nyalo ke lesikwendile asikasuki nje samemedela sibuyele kulabo somabhizinisi ngapha kunabo somabhizinisi lebangibona bakhicita iplastiki eveni sikhulumisene nabo kubeka lokho ukuthi isikhathi sesifikile ngoba lo mthetho nawo awumthetho anithi niubhala kusasa kungumthetho uhamba tingoni Bantu baniketwe public yonke iniketwe lithuba lokuya eParliament bayofaka imivo yabo. Labaphikisa kubaphikise, labarekomenda kubarekomende letinye tinto. Wonke umuntu walithola lithuba nakwakhiwa lo mthetho wemaplastiki. Uphasa nje lo mthetho wendiwe tonke leto daba leto. Sesilala sesikhona khona-ke. Siphindze siyaba-engage. Sithi nyalo-ke sesicela nakhe ema-alternatives.
Okay.
Kungabi il-plastic, but alternatives. Asisho futhi ukuthi abavale emafemu. Asisho ukuthi abaqoshe abantu emafemini. Sithi introduce ema-alternatives. Lekungaphathwa ngawo.
Okay. Okay.
Ngilala sikhona khona la.
Thank you so much for joining us. We are excited about this one, and sicela nje kwenda emagama ekuvalelisa Mr. Thabetha.
Sibonge kakhulu Buhle, umuntu angabonga indvuna ukuthi isinikele lithuba, siyathemba ukuthi utawubuya ngilana. Njengoba uva impela lesikhathi sethu ngathi sibe sincane kuningi impela lebe singakuthola from yona indvuna, but we are hopeful ukuthi indvuna next time sitawuzama zame njengoba kugcine kuzamekile namhla silithole ipoint. Siyathemba ukuthi sive saseMbabane i-constituency Mbabane West nayo i-East batawubukela balalele batawubenefita sonke siseMbabane kanjalo nelive lonke njengoba sinenhlanhla indvuna yona yebo MP but iphindze-ke ibuke iportfolio libuke national. So sibonga kakhulu.
Mhlonishwa emagama ekuvalelisa.
Angithathe lithuba ngibonge kuye masipala lesisebenza naye vele la dolobheni. Tindzaba ukuthi bantu labahlala edolobheni baphatheke kahle, bajabule. Ngitawucela lithuba bangibuyise. Ngitawukhuluma nangalomnye umthetho. Lo mthetho lona ngiwo lesitawumikisa eParliament. Lesumikisa eParliament nje kulamalanga. Lokhuluma ngenuclear neradiation.
Okay.
Inuclear ke kunama chemicals la khadikali. Irradiation ngilobuthi lobulakhathi nawendabo skin ufuna kwati ukuthi uthwele umntwana wesilisa noma wesifazane. Now uyakubo x-ray becheck emathambo akho saphukile ukuthi kunemthetho lokhuluma ngekuvikeleka kwalomuntu loloto wenda lescan ngekuvikeleka lesisebenta lapha ngekuvikeleka nje kwepublic. Sine sedolobheni iMbabane West ke yona vele ifuna lale kakhulu na East West lalela because masipala uyasho ukuthi tibi batilahla eMbabane West. Nase kufile letinto batawutilahla eMbabane West. Banfana batawuhamba bayele kaMdodi bayophanza. Batholwe kunama chemicals. Lana lobuthi ababalimati. Ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga kakhulu. My name is Buhle Bankosi Dlamini Mthimkhulu. Thank you so much for joining us. We're excited to hear ukuthi Mhlonishwa uthi utawubuya futhi. So tell us what you want us to talk about. What was your point of interest? What sparked your interest in this conversation? If she comes back, what do you want us to talk about? And in other sessions, what do you want us? Who do you want us to interview? What do you want us to unpack? This is the Mbabane City Podcast. Hope to see you again soon. Thank you.